Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to round 3 of the grudge match between Cargo Maxx and ProSource. This is the weather-resistant padlock round, and ProSource is so ready to go. He is already out of his package, ladies and gentlemen. Our crowd is ready to go too. We have even more members of the championship camp in the audience today. But let's look at the tail of the tape first. They are both 4-pin locks. Cargo Maxx is a galvanized body with full body weather guard cover. On the other side, ProSource, weatherproof padlock with a plastic anti-scratch cover. How anti-scratch makes you weather resistant, I don't know, but we'll find out. Cargo Maxx claims to be pick resistant, and, well, ProSource claims to have a brass cylinder. I believe them. 7,000 pounds of cutting force for Cargo Maxx, and, well, ProSource is just, let's just get on with it. All right, function and finish. Like I said, ProSource is already out of its packaging. They are ready to go. And since ProSource is so ready to go, let's start with them. Pretty good pop. Spring-loaded locking lug. Whoa. That is a nice pop though. Oh yeah. Let's see about Cargo Maxx. Oh, that's bad. Shouldn't feel that. Oh, maybe just have to work it out. Oh, it's such a nice pop. Such a nice pop. I'm gonna be biased. Yeah, I'm gonna give it to the pop. But this does look better. Does it? Oh, it's gouged. You got overfill. Maybe it doesn't look better. Yep. I'm actually going with ProSource. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Our competitors are ready. Let's see how weather resistant you really are. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, that's not good. Oh, that just adds to the pick resistance. I see. Well, let's see if, hey, it still functions, sort of. Oh, there you go. You just gotta work it out. Works about as crappily as it did before. All right. One moment. And we're back. Let's try this again. Yeah, weather resistance, not so much. Well, I suppose we would just have to let ProSource get its shit together before we can actually commence the picking. But on the weather resistant aspect, ProSource, you need to step up your game. Come on. This semi-covering of plastic is just not weatherproof. ProSource, have you composed yourself? Are you ready to continue this fight? Okay, I guess you are. Excellent. Let's see. As always, I'll begin with the rakes and hybrids and see how each competitor fares. Oh, you know, I was kind of hoping for your sake that being frozen might have gummed up the works for you, make it a little harder to pick, but no such luck. Well, Cargo Maxx, we'll see how you do. Are you? Oh, got this problem again. Can't keep me out with your rubber ring. Might not be the right one. Oh, that's too big. This rubber ring is really messing with tensioning. I need to speak up. I don't even know if you can hear me. Oh. That's exactly what I mean. Tension. Oh, well, tension tool turned, but the core did not. All right, but it fit these too big. Well, Cargo Maxx, you might win by default. Hang on, I think I got a deeper top of the keyway. Here we go. Well, regardless of this result, I think it's clear Cargo Maxx has won this round. They have outlasted and outperformed, even though still, this is just atrocious. This is, it's gross. But you're the winner. That's all that matters. That's all that matters, Cargo Maxx. That's all that matters. Let's make it official, shall we? Your winner of this round and this matchup is Cargo Maxx. Yay! Round of applause for the not quite as bad Cargo Maxx. And your loser is ProSource. Thank you very much for playing. See you again next time. Outro. This is the mother... Well, let's keep this PG. This is the mother humping outro. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a very nice day.